Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make custom shapes for your design. Okay, so let's just move straight into the video. So one of the first things I do is to create my grid lines, and then this part down here is for the settings. Maybe you want to add more lines, and then this second one here, the first option here rather, is for magneting. I'll show you that. I'll show you an example or the function of the magnet. That's what the sign here down here is. And so the thing you want to do is to bring in your shape first, and now you're going to see the reason why I had to put on the magnet for the grids. So you see this red the red marks that show when I move the shape. It helps the shapes to stay in a particular place that I want it to stay without moving somewhere else. It just helps me to align the shape better. That's what that magnet is for. And so when that happens and the shape is well placed, I will click on the check mark. So after doing this, I'll okay, let's just edit the shape again. Let's edit the shape. Let me make this one the first example. And then when I edit the shape, I would increase the radius, and as you can see, the sides of the shape are changing, right? The four sides, if I increase the radius, you see that the four sides are changing. So let's just keep it at you can keep it at 40. You can keep it at 40. And then you click on the check mark, and then what I want to do again is to bring in another shape, and this time around I'm going to decrease it. You can see that the the magnet function is helping me out. Okay, I will take it to one side because of the shape I'm trying to make, and then when I take it there, I'm not going to touch the radius. I'm going to leave it that way, and then I click on the check mark. As you can see, we are making progress. So what you want to do is to click on the layer sign here. You check down here, down your right side or your left side, and you see a sign there. You click on it, and then you check your two layers, and you click on the check sign, the merge sign rather, the merge sign down here, because I want to merge. And then you ask the question if you want to merge, and then you click on the OK. And as you can see, we have a custom shape here. And you can now, let's say we want to add, or we want to place something on the custom shape or in the custom shape. So you go, let me see, maybe an image or something like that. Let me pick this. You see, now we can place anything on this and use it for our design. So that is the first one. So for the second one, let me show you how to make another style. You click on the plus icon there. Sorry. You click on the shapes again, you increase the radius to 40, just like we did before. Excuse me. You click on the check mark, and then you click on the plus sign again, click on shapes, and then you will reduce this one to this end. You click on check mark, we go again, click on shapes. Now we'll reduce here, but we'll bring it down here. You can still resize if you want to make sure that you are correct, so you don't have extra spaces left. And you click on the check mark. So as you can see, this is another shape that we've been able to make, another custom shape. And like the first one, you can always add in anything you want to add. So you will merge, first of all, you merge these three layers, and here we go. We have another shape. So that's it, guys, on this video. I hope this video helps you out, and you can use these custom shapes for your designs, for your flyer designs, your poster designs, and any other thing that you might want to do with it. I will drop videos using these same custom shapes. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.